friends, this is Vicki with Grandma Vicki Crafts, and I have my grandson Merrick with us today, and we are going to make s'mores. So we have our cookie sheet with our liner, or you can use parchment paper if you have. We have our graham crackers, we have our marshmallows, we have our chocolate Hershey's bar, whatever you like to use there. We have two different types. And we have our Pillsbury cookie dough. Along with that, we have a knife to cut our cookie dough with and a spatula to get our s'mores off when they're cooked. We've got our oven on to 350, getting hot, and so we're going to go ahead now and lay them all out onto our cookie sheet, and we'll go from there. Okay, so we have used one sleeve of the graham crackers, and there. We've used 1, 2, 3, 4 and a half of the Hershey bars cut into chunks. I've used the one sleeve of the cookies. And then what I did was, because they were just rolling all over, I took the marshmallow and I just cut off with a sharp knife that one rounded end, set that on the graham cracker, on the chocolate, and then the marshmallow, and then the little bit of the cookie, and it sits on top, and it'll sit there better. So now we're going to put this in the oven at 350, and we're going to bake it for, I think, 13 to 15 minutes, but I'll watch it and I'll let you know how long it took. So here we are, our completed s'mores. Now, they turned out kind of a flop, but they are absolutely delicious. Now, what happened was the marshmallow with the cookie on top, when I put it in the oven, it still just fell over. So it's just kind of all cooked in together. But we tried it. We just used a knife and cut out a piece, and we tried it, and it tastes wonderful. So although everything doesn't turn out perfect, as we all know, things don't, what the heck? It still tastes good, right? Was it good, Merrick?
Yeah. It might not look good,
but it sure tastes good, right?
You can't judge a book by its cover.
There you go. Awesome. So if you try this and it actually works, please let me know. And until next time, this is Vicki again with Grandma Vicki Crafts. And please like, share, comment, and subscribe with your friends. Thanks so much for watching. Bye now.